Okay. Now there's no electrons anywhere in the vehicle. As you can see, the ground cable is disconnected. Now there's no power. Next step is for this plastic cover to come off. So, yeah, that was pretty easy because it's only held on by little rubber goobies. One of them is intake, one's exhaust, and these are the two actuators we're going to replace. To make sure that there is no dirt hanging out around these two solenoids. So we're going to blow that out of there. Is to disconnect these wires off of the top of the solenoids. In order to do that, you have to push this little guy in. There we go. This is a lock. It holds this piece, which you have to push in, and then it comes right off. What I'll do is I'll just insert this back in here again, so that we don't lose it. This one here I got to do the same way. We go one way. Alright, so now that we got the wires disconnected, this is pretty simple from here on in. Just tuck it over here somewhere. There we go. Now we can get right to these. Oh, it says intake and exhaust on top. Alright, so we break it loose. Yep, there it is. It's loose. They come straight up and out, and they are a little oily. So I'm going to drop them into this bucket here. That's the gray top one. It says intake. It's also marked right here on the cover. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the other one back in its place before I take the other one out. And what we got to do is we have this O-ring right here. So what I want to do is I'm going to put a little grease on that O-ring so when it goes down there in that hole, it'll slip in there without pinching the O-ring. Now, with that O-ring right there, you could either use grease, some kind of O-ring lubricant, or you could use oil. And I'm going to use oil. Oh, what a mess I made there. That's all right. And it'll go straight back in. There we go. Now what we got to do is get the screw started. That is a special screw. There we go. That's the intake one. Now, I'm going to break the exhaust loose. These little guys, what they do is they control the cam timing, because this has got variable valve timing. go. Ooh, put a little plastic doobie up with it. Okay. Now what we got to do is move this one a little bit. Here is that one there came right on out. That's the exhaust. Again, we put a little oil and we slip it back into its hole. Alrighty. They're in. The next thing to do is put the wires back. And this one went here. And this one went here. Okay. On, connecting. Now to connect the ground strap on the battery. Okay. Once it gets there. It's tight. Make good ground, make sure. The next step is to go ahead and start it and see what happens. Light went out. The light went right out. As soon as the engine got running, the light went right on out. So that's what it was. All we got to do now is just put the cover back on. Cover's in.